Let's walk through your Work365 self-service portal so you know exactly what is available to you and how to use it. First, you will log into the portal with your Microsoft credentials. Once you are logged in, you will see this page. If you hover over Manage My Services, a drop-down menu will appear. Here is where you will see the 4 sections that are live inside of the portal. Let's start with My Subscriptions. Here you will see your active billing contracts. This will cover your CSP licensing. If you click the drop-down arrow, you will see a list of all of your CSP subscriptions. What if you want to increase your licenses under a specific subscription? No problem. Simply click on the subscription. Here you will see a few functions. Quantity, where you can increase the number of licenses. Change date, where you can specify when you want the licenses to become active. And description, where you can add notes if necessary. If that all looks good, simply hit submit and your licenses will be added. You will also notice a change log at the bottom. That will show you when a change has been made. Below that is the future changes section. Here, anyone who logs in can see when a future change you made is going to happen. Now let's go to the My Company section. This page simply displays your basic company information, such as address, website, and phone number. The next section is the Manage License section. Here you will see your licenses, the quantities, how many are being used, and how many are available. In order to assign licenses to specific users, you will need global admin access. This will be granted to the appropriate person within your company. The last section is the Manage Users section. Here you will be able to see all of the other admin users at your company that have access to this portal. If you are an admin, you can add other admins to the portal as well and what their role would be. When you hit submit, an invitation will be sent to the specified user to use this portal. Once this happens, their name will then show up under Inactive User. You will need to then go in and assign them a specific admin role to grant them access. This is a 2-step process. Now that we have walked through the portal in each section, hopefully you have a better understanding of how to navigate and use it to simplify your Microsoft subscription management.